Shawnnannigan. Makeup, costume, and sound test number 7. My name is Shawnnannigan, and I'd like to sing you a song originally covered by Mr. Leon Redbone called Seduced, and I would like to dedicate it to my favorite on-screen lady, Miss Tara Reid. I wanna be seduced. I want a woman to take me out to dinner for two. Like to see her eyes getting moody, flirting with the thought of what flirting ought to do. Like to be real cool. Let her think about getting little me in bed. Have a chat about Magna Carta, what if I oughta? Something Gandhi said. I might demur, politely, falter slightly, if she tried to fondle my knee. But I'm relatively certain I compromise if I know me. I wanna be seduced. I want a woman to talk to me suggestively. Want to hear her say she'll be with me tomorrow morning, drinking hot jasmine tea. Wanted to make me laugh. Make a point of touching me when she talks, leaving all the jealous men in the joint to mumble in their beer and talk. I know it only happens when I'm napping, nodding in a reverie, that I'll find myself a woman who wouldn't mind seducing me. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a public service announcement for you. Did you know that sex over 40 can be dangerous? You really ought to pull over to the side of the road first. I know it only happens when I'm napping, nodding in a reverie, that I find myself a woman who wouldn't mind seducing, starting with the moment that we've been introducing. I finally found a woman who wouldn't mind seducing me. I love you, Tara.